This is a question from General Study Paper 1, Civil Services Examination 2019. This question is about ocean currents and water masses. What are ocean currents and water masses? Ocean currents are the continuous directed movement of ocean water, whereas water masses are the water bodies in the oceans which have physical properties different from the surrounding water. How the question is how the ocean currents and water masses differ in their impacts on marine life and the coastal environment. Give suitable examples. Ocean currents and water masses affect the salinity and temperature of ocean water. This has direct impact on marine life. The places where mixing of ocean currents takes place are the best grounds for fishing. Example: eastern USA coast. The ocean currents they change the salinity of the coastal regions also. The change in the salinity directly affects the type of marine life that exists in the coastal regions of the oceans. Ocean currents also affect the temperature of the coastal regions. For example, due to North Atlantic drift, the Murmansk port of Russia remains ice-free. Formation of water masses can destroy the coral regions in the oceans. The coral regions contain the coral reefs. They are very sensitive to the changes in the physical environment, physical properties of water like temperature, salinity, pH, and when they are affected by the water masses having a different physical properties, so they causes the immediate harm to the coral reefs. Ocean currents have more impact on the climate of the regions than water masses. This is very important. Ocean currents they have more impact on climate of the region than the water masses. So, for example, North Atlantic ocean currents affect the climate of the Europe. El Nino ocean currents affect the climate of the whole world. Ocean water masses have comparatively less impact on the climate. Ocean currents also transfer heat from the tropical region toward the higher latitudes. Higher latitudes mean subtropical and the polar regions. Ocean currents also bring cold water from polar region to the tropical regions, mean the ocean currents that move from the polar region to the tropical region, they bring the cold water with them. So the ocean currents they affect the temperature in the tropical regions, subtropical regions and the polar regions. Ocean water masses affect the temperature and salinity of the oceans in that region. For example, Antarctic bottom water masses they affect the salinity and temperature in that region. Ocean water masses have more impact on the deep sea marine life, whereas ocean currents have more impact on the pelagic species than the deep sea marine species. Pelagic species are those species which occur in the upper waters of the oceans. This is opposite to the deep sea marine species which occur in the deep sea. Pelagic species occur in the upper waters of the oceans. So ocean currents have more impact on the pelagic species.